about photographs. The first question is you. What type of photos do you like to take?
But being a photogenic person, I love to take different types of photos, and whenever I go outside, that time I prefer to take nature photos, and after that, whenever I go outside with my kids and teens, that time I take photos with them.
Okay. Same question. What type of photos do you like to take?
Well, I like to take many photographs. First of all, when I go outside with my friends, or and some occasions I take a selfie with my friends. On the other hand, when I am a nature lover person, and I like to click the movement of trees and bird shootings and so on.
Okay, चलो बहुत बढ़िया हो सकता है. थोड़ा रिलैक्स होकर बोलना ठीक सीखा. Question का what type of photos do you like to take? Well, frankly speaking, I'm a nature lover, so I love to take the photographs of waterfalls, mountains, rivers, sky. Apart from that, on the special occasion like on the birthdays, weddings, I love to take the selfies with my brothers, with my family members. Okay, your question. Okay, what do you do with the photos you take?
I do many activities when I am taking photos, such as I do click a photo with my friends in a different pose, and do various activities, such as I click the greenery photos, because when I am click the greenery photo, I
रिलैक्स होकर बोलो, ठीक है ना. रिलैक्स होकर बोलो, रेपिटेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए, थोड़ा रिलैक्स होकर बोलो, ठीक है. एंड क्वेश्चन और चंगी तरह समझो क्वेश्चन है क्या, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डू यू डू विद द फोटोज यू टेक?
I do many activities when I take the photo, such as I click the photo with my friends on a different pose, and when I do not understand what I do that time I give opinion to my friends.
Okay, चलो. I take opinion from. और the question ये नहीं सीखा मुझे. Question सीखा same question. What do you do with the photos you take?
Truly speaking, I also uploaded the photos on Instagram. Side by side, I also framed some photos, because I surmise that with this I can capture the memories for a long time.
Okay, चलो बहुत बढ़िया हो सकता है. क्वेश्चन सीखा थोड़े बच्चे क्वेश्चन समझो क्वेश्चन क्या सीखा. क्वेश्चन का व्हाट डू यू डू विद द फोटोज यू टेक. कहते ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ फोटो लेने फिर ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ क्या करते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन का व्हाट डू यू डू विद द फोटोज यू टेक. Well, generally I share the photographs on the social apps like on the Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and I get very good compliments. Even I have made a special folder in my cell phone, so I move these photos to that special folder. सर तो पूछा सो फोटो में क्या करते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है अबाउट okay, bicycle. The first question is you. How popular are the bicycle in your hometown?
Well, honestly speaking, a bicycle is very famous in my hometown, because some people are poor, they cannot afford vehicle, so that's why they prefer to bicycle. And some people want to keep their body fit, so that's why they prefer to ride bicycles.
Okay. Same question. How popular are the bicycle in your hometown?
But truly speaking, some people like to use the bicycle and cycle, because they think that if they use the bicycle, and they can easily take a body fit as a fuel.
Okay. They can keep their body fit and fit. Okay. थोड़ा मैं पहले किया पार्डन क्वेश्चन मेरे को 2 से 3 लाइन बोलनी है. एक लाइन बोल के चुप नहीं करना. पार्डन क्वेश्चन कर 2 से 3 पॉइंट बोलने हैं उसने. तो उधर बातों में 2 पॉइंट बोल के स्टॉप कर सकते हैं, 3 भी स्पीक कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना. पर ये नहीं एक लाइन बोली फिर चुप करके, क्योंकि एग्जाम में इतना लगे तो उसी आंसर तो बच रहे हैं. तो पार्डन क्वेश्चन है पर 2 से 3 लाइन बोलनी है. तो क्वेश्चन द सिंपल सीगा. क्वेश्चन का हाउ पॉपुलर आर द बाइसाइकिल इन योर होमटाउन. वेल, as far as I am concerned, nowadays bicycles are not popular in my hometown, as most of the people have the bikes, car. Before, bicycles were so popular, but nowadays rare people can be seen with the bicycle on the road. Understand? तो पक्के शेप है कितना. Well, as far as I am concerned, nowadays bicycles are not popular in my hometown. Before, these were so popular, but nowadays rare people can be seen with the bicycle, as most of the people have the cars and bikes. Your question? Okay. How often do you ride bicycle?
Well, many times I often ride bicycle when I go any outside places, and so that's why I prefer to ride on a bicycle. And moreover, in the past time when I went to school, so that's time I prefer to a bicycle.
Okay. एक बार फिर बोलो. How often do you ride bicycle?
Well, there are many times I ride on a bicycle. Moreover, when I was went to a school, so
When I went to school,
when I went to school, so that's time I ride on a bicycle.
I rode bicycle. प्राणिकल सेकंड फॉर्म. चलो थोड़ा रिलैक्स होके बोलो, ठीक है ना? मतलब ज़्यादा जितना थोड़ा स्टेबल होके बोलूँगा उतना फायदा होना है, समझे? तो क्वेश्चन है how often do you ride bicycle? Well, honestly speaking, nowadays I do not ride bicycle very often. Though in my childhood I rode it a lot. Nowadays I have a bike, so wherever go I use it. समझे? बाकी पोस्टर्स भी दे सकते हैं कि हाँ मैं बाइसाइकिल यूज करता हूँ, मैं पार्क जाना इधर कुछ कह सकते हैं. Your question? Do you think that bicycles are suitable for all ages group?
Yes, definitely. I think the bicycle.
थोड़ा लाउड बोलो बच्चों. Do you think that bicycles are popular for all ages group? So suitable. Do you think that bicycles are suitable for all ages group?
Yes, definitely. Bicycles are the very useful for all ages of the groups because it is very convenient and anyone can ride a bicycle and it doesn't need any physical practice.
Okay. Same question. Do you think that bicycles are suitable for all ages group?
Definitely, yes, it is fruitful for all age groups because everyone can ride by bicycle and it is a very convenient to keep our health fit as a fiddle and it is a very useful for our health.
Question: do you think that bicycles are suitable for all ages group? Well, I don't think so. Bicycles are suitable for all ages group. It's not suitable for the old people, as bicycle needs lots of physical efforts. So old people often have pain in their legs, knees, so they find it difficult to ride. But it's very suitable for the young people and the children. वैसे बाकी जो कह सकते हैं कि तिन्ना लिए suitable है कुछ कह सकते हैं क्योंकि old people दी health जो maintain करने help करता है कुछ कह सकते हैं ये question. Okay. What are the advantages of bicycle compared to car?
Well, according to my perspective, there are ample of
From my perspective, yeah.
From my perspective, there are ample of benefits to ride bicycles. Like it is very conducive for their health as well as for environment because it reduce the pollution as well as it keeps the body fit of people.
Okay. चलो ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया हो सकता है. Same question. What are the advantages of bicycle compared to car?
Well, bicycle is more beneficial as compared to car. First of all, if I talk about bicycle, so they do not need any kind of fuel, by which the environment is also benefited in a positive way. Apart from that, it is also cheaper than cars. Whereas if I talk about cars, so they are very fruitful in the emergency situation.
बहुत बढ़िया हो सकता है. Question: what are the advantages of bicycle compared to car? Well, as I think that bicycles have multiple advantages. First of all, it is eco-friendly mode of transport, as it does not pollute environment. More importantly, it helps people to stay healthy. On the top of that, it is the cheapest mode of transport, as it does not require any fuel and oil, so people can also save money. So, तीन बड़े advantages of bicycle. Okay. The next topic is about gifts. The first question is you. When do people give the gifts to each other in your country?
Well, in my country, people gifted to the other people on a special occasion, such as on the birthday party and many ceremonies. Then they give a gift because they show their love, so they gift.
Okay, एक बार फिर बोलो, थोड़ा और रिलैक्स होके, थोड़ा और सोच समझ के, ठीक है, एक बार फिर बोलो. When do people give the gifts to each other in your country?
In my country, people gifted the other people for a marriage day because they show their love and express their feeling to the other people, and so they gave the gift to the special occasion such as birthday and ceremony.
Okay, on the special occasion, to the जो प्रेपरेशन है वो बच्चे सोच समझ के लाओ, ठीक है ना. ये नहीं कि जो चीज बोली जा रही है तो यही नहीं पता लग रहा है कि इन आना जो ऑन आना ऑफ आना, सोच समझ के बोलो. ऐसे थोड़ा और अपना ग्रामर को ध्यान से रख के और सोच समझ के बोलो. जितना सोच समझ के बोलोगे ना फायदा होगा. ऐसे ग्रामर को और ध्यान से रखो. क्वेश्चन में सिंपल सीगा. क्वेश्चन सीगा व्हेन डू पीपल गिव द गिफ्ट्स. अभी चलो क्वेश्चन बड़ा सिंपल सीगा. व्हेन डू पीपल गिव द गिफ्ट्स, मतलब मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि जितना बोलना ज़्यादा उच्च ताकत प्रति होनी चाहिए, थोड़ा सोच समझ के बोलो, टेंस में थोड़ा ध्यान रखो, प्रेपरेशन ध्यान रखो। तो क्वेश्चन हमारा बच जाना सीगा, व्हेन डू पीपल गिव द गिफ्ट्स टू ईच अदर इन योर कंट्री? वेल पीपल जनरली गिव द गिफ्ट्स टू ईच अदर ऑन द स्पेशल occasion in my country, like on the birthdays, weddings, even on the festival like Diwali, Dussehra. And on the top of that, people also love giving the gifts to other on the special days like Valentine Day, Rose Day, Propose Day, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं। Is it your question? Okay. Do you ever take a gift when you visit someone in their house? Your face, no? Do you ever take a gift when you visit someone in their house?
Yes, there are so many times I take a gift from someone because sometimes my relatives come to my home and they give me they give me some money and gifts and on the special day we invited them and gifted to each other.
Okay. क्वेश्चन गलत अंडरस्टैंड किया, ऑपोजिट क्वेश्चन समझ लिया तुसी। ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਗਿਫਟ ਦਿੰਦਾ, ਮੈਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਐਵਰ ਟੇਕ ਅ ਗਿਫਟ ਵੈਨ ਯੂ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਮਵਨ ਇਨ देयर ਹਾਊਸ? ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗਿਫਟ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ, ਸੇਮ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, ਡੂ ਯੂ ਐਵਰ ਟੇਕ ਅ ਗਿਫਟ ਵੈਨ ਯੂ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਮਵਨ ਇਨ देयर ਹਾਊਸ?
Absolutely yes, I always take a gift when I go to any when I go to any place, and after that when I give the gift to other people, I feel over the moon.
Okay, चलो और थोड़ा इनको एक्सटेंड किया जा सकता सीगा। क्वेश्चन है, did you ever take a gift when you visit someone in the house? Well, honestly speaking, I don't take gift very often. I just take when there is any special occasion like birthdays, wedding. On the other hand, when I go there, like there is no special occasion, I just take fruits and sweets. बोलते कि जिस स्पेशल ओकेजन है ताकि मैं लेके जाना, अदरवाइज नहीं लेके जाना। बस ये क्वेश्चन चलिए दोबारा को बना दे तो तीन दिन when did you last receive a gift?
Well, truly speaking, last month on my birthday, I received a gift from my brother, and it was a smartwatch, and it has a lot of feature, and it also suits on my personality. And I
ज़्यादा नहीं खींचो, बस पार्ट वन क्वेश्चन है तो ज़्यादा नहीं खींचो। पार्ट वन क्वेश्चन दो लेना बढ़िया बोलिए फिनिश कर दो, ठीक है ना? ते प्लस बार-बार नहीं ट्रूली स्पीकिंग लाना, जिथे लगे उत्थे लाना। ट्रूली स्पीकिंग ਦਾ ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਆਂਸਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਪੁੱਛੂੰਗਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਵਰਤਦੇ ਹੋ, ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਵਰਤਦੀ, ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਪਰ ਹਰ ਆਂਸਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਣਾ। ਚਲੋ question, when did you last receive a gift? Well, I received my last gift on my last birthday, and my father gifted me a bike. I felt over them. Jafar, well, last time I received a gift on my birthday, my eldest brother gifted me a silver bracelet, and I liked it very much. So bas finish it. You know, any kids तीन चलो ना gift start करो इधर। Okay, next topic is about games. What games are popular in your country?
Well, in my country, there are so many games that are very popular. If I talk about teenagers, they usually play outdoor games like football and cricket, and older age of groups, they usually play
Okay, दोबारा बोलो बच्चे। मैं देखिए ਤੁਸੀਂ फटाफट आंसर फिनिश कर देना, ट्राई करो थोड़ा अपने आंसर को एक्सटेंड करो थोड़ा यार, ठीक है ना? स्टेबल होके थोड़ा लाउड बोलो, थोड़ा ज़्यादा फ्लुएंटली ना बोलो, ठीक है ना? चलो, व्हाट गेम्स आर पॉपुलर इन योर कंट्री?
Well, in my country, well, India is a diverse country. There are so many games that are very popular in my country. The most popular games are football and cricket.
ओके, चलो ठीक है। जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ नहीं है, ठीक है ना? क्योंकि अपने आंसर ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਜੇ ਠੋਸ ਪਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ? ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵਾਕਿਆ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਸਪੀਕ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਫੀ ਭਰੇ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ? ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਂਸਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਫਿਨਿਸ਼ ਕਰਤਾ, ਬਚੋ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਂਸਰ ਤੋਂ, ਥੋੜਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰੋ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ 12 ਮਿੰਟ ਪ੍ਰੂਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਹੈ, तो जिन्ना थोड़ा अपने आंसर को एक्सटेंड करोगे ज़्यादा फायदा ही है। वैसे जितना तो थोड़ा आंसर मेरे आंसर फर्क देखो। What games are popular in your country? Well, both the indoor and the outdoor games are quite popular in my country. First, I will talk about the outdoor games like cricket, hockey, football. These games are so popular, and especially youngsters in my country, they are mad behind cricket. If you talk about the indoor games, then they are also very popular, like playing cards, chess, playing computer games. तो मैं अपने आंसर थोड़ा मतलब थोड़ा उन्होंने थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? इधर नहीं कि मैं तो मेरी आंसर तो लगे मैं फटाफट अपने आंसर फिनिश करता जब बच रहे हैं अपने आंसर तो, ठीक है ना? तो ट्राई करो कि जो थोड़ा अपने आंसर है मतलब तो खुद फील होगा यार जो मैं आंसर देता वो इनफ है, फिर तो स्टॉप करना, इन तुम दो लेना फटाफट बोलिए फिर चुप करके, समझ रहे? मतलब थोड़ा ज़्यादा एक्सटेंड करोगे ज़्यादा फायदा ही है, ठीक है ना? एंड एग्जामिनर को लगेगा यार तो कुछ ज़्यादा आइडियाज़ है, ठीक है तो ਵਧੀਆ फील होएगा। ये क्वेश्चन डू यू प्ले एनी गेम्स?
Yes, of course, I play many games like football, badminton, and many other games.
ओके चलो डू यू प्ले एनी गेम्स? चलो ठीक है वेल frankly frankly speaking I'm a big fan of cricket and on the weekends I go to stadium I play cricket with my friends। सर तो कई इदा कहंदे कि गेम्स स्पोर्ट्स से फर्क ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬਾਹਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। Do you think that it is important for people to play games?
Well, in my opinion, play sports is
Playing sport.
Playing sports is very helpful for other people because with the help of these activities, they can easily communicate with the other people and sometimes they can make new friends.
Okay. Same question. Do you think that it is important for people to play games?
Yes, definitely. Playing games is the most important for everyone because nowadays people is busy in their hectic schedule, so they cannot do physical activities. So by which they face harmful diseases. So that's why they play games.
They should play games. बहुत बढ़िया सर है। Question: Do you think that it is important for people to play games? Of course, it's very important for people to play games as games bring lots of benefits. First of all, game help people to stay healthy. More importantly, with the help of games, people can increase their social circle. They can develop new skills and they can become good leader. Games make people the people who take part in games they also get to know about the importance of sportsmanship। कुछ भी कह सकते हैं ये क्वेश्चन। ओके लास्ट एक क्वेश्चन भी करते हैं अपन। ओके हाउ डिड यू स्पेंड यस्टरडे?
Yesterday is my birthday, so I hang out with my friends. Even I also cut the cake.
ओके चलो yesterday it was the day of my birthday। yesterday is my birthday तो इसे कैसे दे पर मेरे तो आवाज ज़्यादा बेटर है। well it was my birthday and I organized a small party। I invited my friends and I had lots of fun with my friends। ठीक है ना तो जिन्ना बोलना क्लियर करके बोलना ठीक है ना क्लियर करके बोलना थोड़ा आवाज तड़का होना चाहिए ठीक है ना ये नहीं थोड़ी मूंह ची सारी तुसी कसमस करो ठीक है ना जिन्ना बोलना क्लियर करके बोलना आवाज तड़का होना चाहिए थोड़ा स्टेबल होकर बोलना ये नहीं तुम ज़्यादा उत्थे ज़्यादा के तेज बोलोगे तो जो थोड़े मुंह शब्द फसी जा रहे हैं ठीक है तो पता मैं इंग्लिश आती है ना रिलैक्स होकर बोलो जिन्ना अपना कॉन्शियस करके जिन्ना तुसी फोकस करके बातों को बोल सकते हैं उन्ना का फायदा इसलिए अपने आप से फोकस करो अपने दिमाग का जिन्ना तुसी पसीना कढ़ा सकते हैं बातों में सोचो जिन्ना दिमाग का पसीना कढ़ाओगे जिन्ना इतने प्रेशर पाओगे उन्ना माइंड और डेवलप करेगा ठीक है रिलैक्स होकर बोलना ज़्यादा तेज भी बोलना रेपिटेशन ध्यान रखना टेंस ध्यान रखना फिनिश